Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can join a private Telegram channel without needing an invite link, even as we head into 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know several methods to access those hard-to-find communities, plus a few tips and warnings to keep you safe as you search. Let's get started. So you've spotted a private Telegram channel that you really want to join, but there's no invite link in sight. The very first and honestly the most straightforward strategy is to simply ask someone who's already inside. If you know a member or have the channel admin's contact, just reach out politely and see if they can invite you or send along the invite link. There's zero trickery here. Telegram channels are private for a reason, so admins can control access. Most of the time, legitimate channels appreciate new members who show genuine interest, and so a personal connection can go a long way. Just be friendly, let them know why you'd like to join, and if you're lucky, they'll send you an invite. But what if you don't know anyone inside? Here's a technique that might work, especially if you know the channel's unique username. Imagine you've heard about a channel called MySecretChannel. Even if you haven't been given a direct invite link, you can try some clever link magic. Open up your web browser and type TME followed by the channel's username. For example, TME/MySecretChannel. This trick works because Telegram uses these links to direct people to channels. Sometimes, if the privacy settings aren't too strict, Telegram will let you access the channel this way. Just pause for a moment as the page loads. If you see a join button, you're in luck. But I should mention, this isn't guaranteed to work for every private channel. Some admins set tighter controls, so you might hit a locked page or a wall requesting admin approval. Don't worry if that happens. It's all part of the process. You might also come across Telegram bots or websites that claim to generate invite links for you. Some promise to bypass security settings, but be careful here. Telegram is constantly improving its privacy, and a lot of these shortcuts get blocked or don't work as advertised. Plus, they can expose you to scams or malware. If you do experiment with this method, do your research, and never enter your Telegram login or personal info into a site you don't trust. Another way to hunt down a private channel is through third-party directories or discovery bots. Think of these as specialized search engines. The internet is full of websites and Telegram bots that catalog all sorts of channels, sometimes even private ones. They can be useful, especially for bigger communities, but be wary. Because these aren't managed by Telegram itself, some links can be outdated, unreliable, or even harmful. Always double-check the legitimacy of the source and be cautious before clicking around. Finally, don't underestimate the power of social media and niche forums. Platforms like Reddit, Discord, or topic-focused communities often share invite links for Telegram channels related to their interests. For example, if it's a tech channel, you might find fans chatting about it in a related subreddit. Take a few minutes to search for dedicated threads or posts. Sometimes admins or members will drop an invite link for newcomers. Just remember, if a channel is truly private, invitations might be rare, but patience and polite engagement often pay off. And there you have it. Joining a private Telegram channel isn't always a one-click process, but with these approaches, you'll maximize your chances. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop any questions you have in the comments. I'd love to hear from you, and subscribe so you never miss out on my latest tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.